Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to take this straight hair, make it curly. I know you guys have seen a ton of these videos, but I'm gonna show you an easy way to curl your hair. So kind of curling your hair for beginners and a few simple tricks that I do that I think are game changer and just make it so much easier. So for today's video, I'm actually gonna be using my T3 wand. I love T3. I've been using them, gosh, this wand has been out ever since the wand's been out. And I love them. This is not sponsored. I just love them, and I actually use their wands every time I curl my hair. I also use their blow dryer, which is amazing. But yeah, so I'm gonna use the 1-inch wand. They also have, right about this little guy, is they have so many different convertible heads. So I have all of these. I use probably the 1-inch one the most. Sometimes I'll use like the 1 1/4 clamp, but I'll use it as a wand. But yeah, it's awesome. So you can get the wand and then get all these different heads. But let's get on to curling my hair. Okay, step 1, get a hair tie, preferably from Goody, because I love their hair ties. And part your hair where you normally part it. So this is my part. And then separate it all the way down the back and take 1/2 and tie it off. This is gonna make, so this hair doesn't get, with this hair when you're curling, it makes it so much easier. Step 2, well, maybe I should first turn it on. While this heats up, I'm going to section off a piece of my hair in the back. I always start in the back, I just think it's easier, so when I'm done curling this section, I can just throw it behind me and be done with it, and it won't get in the way of all the other hair. Okay, what I love about T3 is this thing heats up so fast. It's pretty much ready. I think I'm gonna go for it. So what I do is I wrap it around the back just like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but I keep a little bit at the end out because I like that look where it's curly and then straight at the very end. And I hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then, beautiful curl. So again, I just throw it back. It's easy, it's out of the way, and it's not gonna get mixed up with all this hair. Then I section off another little piece. So with this one, before I went like this and wrapped it around the back, but this time I'm gonna wrap it forward. So I do this so my hair isn't curling the same way all around my head. I just think it looks better when it's curled like this. So you could try both, but I prefer doing flipping and flopping. That guy, throw that back. So I'm gonna continue this process of curling backwards and then forwards for this whole side. So while I do that, we should probably just speed this up a little, right? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna slow it down because my last little tip or trick for the front is no matter where I ended, I usually do 2 small sections in the front and I curl them towards the back. I just think it looks better than having the curls go towards the front. It kind of feathers the face so your hair is away and out of your face rather than coming forward. And because these sections are thinner and smaller chunks of hair, I usually do it for like 5 to 10 seconds, so not as long with the bigger chunks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there you go. Side 1 is done. Yes, these look very extra, but I'm gonna tone them down in a little bit. So what I do is I pull all my hair to the front, so then it's kind of out of the way for doing this side. So with this side, I do exactly what I did on the other side. Take a chunk in the back, So I go backwards with the hair. Again, leaving out a little bit at the bottom to give it that straight look at the end. Sometimes I lose count, so that seems about right. Throw that in the back and then repeat the same steps on this side. So with this section, what will I do, guys? I will not go to the back, but I will go to the front. All right, let's fast forward up this side. Yeah. All right, slowing it back down again because if you remember from the other side with the front, ooh, and this guy's trying to sneak in there. Get out of here. What are you doing? All right, with the last two front pieces, I like to go to the back, do it for about 5 seconds. Grab this last little piece. Okay, so turn this guy off. And look, beautiful curls. So what I like to do now, as you can see, is I run my fingers through them just so they aren't so like perfectly curled. Also with me, for my hair, it holds a curl not very well until I spray it. But when I spray it, especially with, again, this is not sponsored. I've just started using the Moroccan oil hairspray in Strong. This thing, you guys, is amazing. But I like my hair to sit for a few seconds and kind of like drop these more intense curls before I spray. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes before I use that bad boy. All right, now that I let my hair drop a little bit, I'm going to take my Moroccan oil hairspray, get a little bit, oh my God, this smells so good. Just a little bit in here, this around. All right, and perfect. There. And there you have it. These are my beautiful curls, really in less than like 15 minutes with my T3 1-inch barrel. Like I said, they have so many different barrels, so if you're like, these are a little too small of a curl, I want a bigger curl, they have everything. So you can get a different head to put on. But this is what I normally do. Like I said, my hair kind of drops a little bit, so that's why I like to do a tighter curl with the 1-inch, but I love it so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below and let me know what else you want to see, because I will be putting out new videos every Thursday. Also, don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. All right, guys, I will see you next week.